Not again!
Don't think too...
Hey, Jimmy, let me show you around this.
I'm the
I wish I was like
president of the
Lola, not giving a damn about what anyone thinks.
That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
Vocal cords out!
Come on, we don't have to fight.
You, cash, now!
Come on, give me a break.
Puny ant! Kneel before Russell! Next time you give, more doofus!
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. Careful around the prefects. They don't have much of a sense of humor. Well done.
You do know you're not supposed to be doing that.
You're stupid! I heard that we were gonna get the field
You need like
hockey team.
snack break?
Then all the hockey sticks got stolen.
What if I started a rumor?
I'm gonna tell her that I don't care about all this.
Come on,
You're a
psycho.
troublemaker.
This way. Oh man, there's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her. Go, see what she wants.
What's going on?
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
Talking about this week.
They say the kids imitate characters.
You can lick my shoes off.
I hope the police got my application.
My coach tells me my craft is intense, man. Intense.
Show what you're made of, Jimmy.
Got anything to say to this? You're the worst. Seriously, the worst.
Whoa, take the stupid chocolate. Why did you do that?
Are you saying I'm not manly enough?
Watch it.
Go for the juggler.
Hey, check this out.
I feel trapped here. I'm long, famous people.
I'm not one of these guys who can't fight.
You got nothing.
Don't push the way here. Watch it.
I will beat you!
Come on, make him
talent
cry. I think a little bit. Come on, make him cry.
This is so cool.
Fish want a word with you!
Thanks! Wanna make out? Sheesh! Oh, thank you, Jimmy. I mean it. Look who it is! My main squeeze!
Show you
Who has
who's who.
time for real jobs?
Look
I
at me!
just spent the last 8 hours making errors in a video. I know what you did.
She's so neat!
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them, at least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
What are you doing in here? Oh, right. Class. Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals today. Good work! You have a future in chemistry. Careful! Young man, stop daydreaming! Good job! Keep paying attention. Keep up the good work. You're almost done. You're a regular budding scientist, Mr. Hopkins. I rock!
I should teach lessons or something.
Minor cracks at the beginning of I'll be a cardiovascular
Do your
surgeon
best,
or
you'll need to. Stop it, Go suck on something!
You seem to be making yourself quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a nuisance of yourself? That is not the Bulworth way, boy.
Yeah, you could have fooled me.
What?
I said you could have fooled me. This place is full of bullies and maniacs.
Nonsense! That's just school spirit. Hijinks. Why, in my day, we felt nothing of castrating the new boys. I want you to stop this nonsense, Hopkins. I want you to behave yourself. You might learn something.
Fine. Can I go now, sir?
On your way.
Hey, I saw you sucking up to Crabble Snitch.
What? Shut up!
Screw you, new kid. This is what we do to teachers' pets around here.
You better not. Ow! Come here, you little.
Yeah, come and get me.
Stinky Brown!
Tough guy.
How can I be I saw it.
Is 4 teams too many to be on?
Get lost, bitch!
Don't whine. It doesn't hurt. Don't let the girls see me lose. Good deed done. You're crap. You're an acne column. Shut up and get out of here. Mr. Pavement. You moron. You want some? You're stupid and ugly.
Anger management is overrated when you can beat people.
If I don't get that A, my mom will be so disappointed.
You won't like me. Why are you not calm?
Dillweed.
Remember your class-breaking stunt.
Can't never have too much sugar. Just what I needed.
So that's a good idea, right?
Yeah, okay, alright, sure, I'll do it.
Hey man, what's going on?
Not much.
I was just telling Petey here about my idea to take over the school. I mean, my plan for us to take over the school.
What plan?
Don't worry, Jimmy. It's just a little something I came up with. It's sink or swim, my friend. And if you're good at swimming, you gotta let the losers drown. Why don't you guys leave the thinking up to me?
What?
What? What the? Can't you say anything else? You know what, Petey? You were right. Jimmy is pretty dumb.
What'd you say about me?
Whoa, nothing, no. All I said was that you had to be pretty dumb to get expelled from so many schools, that's all.
Relax, James. All he said was that you must be dumb. Or maybe you're all messed up because you came from a broken home.
What'd you say about me, dwarf?
Come on, dude. Chill.
No. Gary's taking everything out of context, man.
Whoa. Don't lie, Petey. Don't you lie. Because you know what happens to liars?
No, I'm not lying.
We kick them in the balls! Come on, Jimmy, let's go see how good you are with this new slingshot I heard you had. Don't worry, friend. Nothing escapes my notice. I hear everything. You and me, we can do things. Hey, Jimmy, follow me.
You better not be skipping. You are violating your academic contract.
See if you can knock out the windows in that bus. I want to see your long-range skill. See if you can get him with your slingshot. I'm a genius. Geniuses don't need medication. I keep imagining myself in charge of a large empire. Come on, let's go.
You cool?
I really love bunnies. They're so
I'm gonna find
nice.
some troublemakers today. Oh, I'm in real trouble. I'll let you off.
All sorted.